Here's Francois and Phoenix. Hey, they both rhyme. Francois and Phoenix. And this is Graham.
Are you still
Yeah, I remember being here at this place, the Sandbar Grill, 6 years ago. And there were 2 people underneath here partaking in an activity that was inappropriate. And there goes the sirens again of Kamloops and Beverly Hills. Well, this place has limited hours, but so I've done my 2 songs. Oh, I gotta come here when it gets hot.
KG is one, KG is the other. And the double.
All right, he's going back in his bag.
He doesn't leave me, he's just gone.
Why don't you get one? Get a parrot.
I would like to get one, you're right. But like right now...
He's talking now.
Yeah,
He's talking.
This world will be mine, and you're first in line. You brought me the pick, and now you shall both die.
Anyways, Graham, thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. No problem.
So, how did I do?
Coming out. It was really fun. You did
What?
great. You did great. It was really fun.
Yeah. And thanks, Jennifer, for all your help at the art store and all. And I'll be back next Sunday, I hope.
Fuck!
What?
Oh, the demon cold.
What kind of song is this?